Hello students, welcome to Deepak Zade's YouTube channel. This is our third video of projections of lines. In first video, we discuss about projections of points in detail, all quadrants, right? And where we'll get position of front view and top view when point is placed in different quadrants. In second lecture, we discuss about projections of lines which one is inclined to both the reference planes. Okay, now you must know what we discussed in previous two videos, therefore you go through that two videos so that you will understand in this video. What is given in this problem? A line AB 100 mm long is inclined at an angle of 45 degrees to HP and 30 degrees to the VP. What it represents, what data is given? 100 mm long means this one is what? True length of line. Number one, line is inclined at 45 degree to HP. Inclination with HP is represented by what? Theta. What angle? 45. Line is inclined at what angle with VP? Phi. This angle is represented by what? Phi. How much? 30 degrees. Its end A is 20 mm above HP. Whenever any point is located above HP, its front view will get where? Above XY line. End A hai means its front view will represent by A dash, small letter with dash. 20 mm above HP means front view where? 20 mm above XY. And 15 mm in front of VP. Whenever any point is in front of VP, its top view will get where? Below XY line. Top view is represented by small letter without a dash and will get what? 15 mm below XY. Now when you start solving any problem, first we will draw out XY line and then we will represent position of one end. Now in this case, what is given? The point is 20 mm above HP and 15 mm below XY line you are getting. That means in front of VPA. What will represent here? Front view and top view. So here front view of end 20 mm and this one is what? 15 mm. What is represented? Front view A dash, top view A. Next step is what? We'll draw horizontal line passing through A dash and A. What is the reason? What is the use of these lines? To represent plan length, we'll draw line, horizontal line passing through top view of it. To represent elevation length, we'll represent what? Horizontal line passing through front view of end. ये जो distances है, these distances are 20 mm and 15 mm. So we will represent these are what? Dimensions, right? This one is what? 20 mm. Below that one top view where? 15 mm. This one is 15. This dimension is what? 20 mm. That means these two datas were used, right? Whenever we will solve any problem, we will try to represent given data in solution. Then solution easily possible. Next, what is possible? True length is given and theta is given. With true length which is inclined at theta, this is inclination with HP. That means this is visible in front view. That means this true length inclined at an angle of theta will represent from where? From front view of end A. That means from A dash. From A dash, if we will represent a true length inclined at what angle? 45. This one is 45 degree. And true length is inclined at an angle of phi. Line is inclined at an angle of phi in top view. That means this angle will represent where? In top view. So this angle I will add here. This angle is how much? A 30 degree. That means what will get here? Line means true length incline at an angle of 45. How much length? Length is how much? 100 mm is true length. You have to measure carefully, right? And we'll add what? True length in front view. This one is my true length. True length in front view. Incline at what angle? Theta. Name of end point in front view is represented by what? B1 dash. अगर लाइन ए बी है तो ट्रू लेंथ इन फ्रंट व्यू ए डैश बी वन डैश. लाइन अगर सी डी है तो ट्रू लेंथ इन फ्रंट व्यू सी डैश डी वन डैश. लाइन इज पी क्यू, ट्रू लेंथ इन फ्रंट व्यू इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय पी डैश क्यू वन डैश. नाउ ट्रू लेंथ इन टॉप व्यू. So this is inclined at what angle? Phi, right? What length? 100 mm. So I will represent here 100 mm long line inclined at an angle of phi. This angle is inclination of line with VP. Which length? True length. What is the name of end point? So this one is B2. Top view है without dash, right? Name of this point is what? B2. Next step is what? Will represent horizontal lines passing through top view of this true length, means from B to one horizontal line called as locus of B, horizontal line from B1 dash called as what? Locus of end B in front view. That means what is the name here? Locus of B. This is what? Locus of B dash. Locus of B dash. Now when you know true length, incline at an angle of theta, if we project true length from front view, which length will get here? Plan length. Plan length where will represent on horizontal line passing through end A. That means we'll draw a vertical projector. दिख रहा है ना आपको? हाँ, ये आपका vertical projector from B1 dash. Which length will get here? Plan length. Similarly, this true length in top view will project it up to what? Horizontal line passing through A dash. What are the names of points? B2 है तो in front view with dash, B2 dash. ये B1 है तो this point is what? B1. B1 dash B1 lies on same vertical line. B2 and B2 dash lies on same vertical line. That means which length is elevation length? ये जो length है, this one is EL, and this length what you are getting in top view is what? A plan length. Now plan length and elevation length is ready. So we'll rotate elevation length. What will get? Front view. Rotate plan length will get what? Rotate plan length will get top view. So this one EL I'll take in compass. ये EL है, right? And this EL I'll just transfer in front view. I'll draw one arc here, right? And plan length in compass, PL will rotate up to what? Locus of B. That means we are getting finally positions of end A and B. ये जो arc है, this one, you can draw this arc like this, right? ये आपका arc है of radius EL. This one plan length we are rotated to will get what? One arc, right? Which passes through this point. Name of this point in top view, plan length we are rotated to B आ गया. And here what will get? B dash. Now final step, simply join these points. For front view, we'll join what? A dash to B dash. What will get here? Front view of line. This one is what? Front view of line. And join A to B. What will get? Top view of line. This is what? Top view. This one is what? Front view. Front view is inclined at what angle? So this angle is represented by what? Alpha, and top view of line is inclined at what angle? A beta. Our solution is correct or wrong, how will decide? So always front view and top view of point must be on same vertical line. That means आपका B dash and B must be on same vertical line. So we are getting on same vertical line. This one is what? From B dash, if we draw vertical projector, that must pass through point B. Clear? In complete solution, only final front view and final top view must be dark. That means this A dash B dash front view and AB is what? Top view. Draw projections of line means what? Finally, you have to represent final front view and final top view of line. Okay, understood? Clear? Okay, thank you.